Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y19 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. When you're ready, tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Now click on Images option over here and simply tap on one of your pictures that you wish to attach. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!